Hello and welcome to my channel. You can type AX Santosh or visit this link to get to my channel. What is today's video about? Today's video is about Visual Studio Code. I have a question for you. Are you tired of spending countless hours debugging, refactoring, or just plain struggling with your Visual Studio workflow? Do you feel like your coding efficiency is stuck in a slow lane? This video is your ultimate guide to unlocking Visual Studio hidden power and finally boosting your productivity with extensions that truly make a difference. The Here's the thing. Are you still manually tackling repetitive tasks in Visual Studio, feeling like you are leaving your productivity on the table? Stop wasting the precious coding time. This video is packed with practical insights and demonstrations on Visual Studio extensions that will immediately elevate your efficiency, streamline your workflow, and help you reclaim hours you didn't even know you were losing. But first, I want you to go to videos, and if you don't know how to install Visual Studio Code, check out this video. Okay, and then if you want to know how to install the plugin, go to this video. In this video, I will start showing you how to install the plugin as well. Double click on Visual Studio Code. So this video is about making your life easier using the extensions feature. To find the extensions, over here you click on extensions on the left hand side, and as you can see, there are a lot of extensions. You see this down pointing arrow, click on that. You see that we have all these extensions installed. The installed extensions, I have a kilocode extension installed. If you want to know how to install the kilocode extension, look at this video. It will show you how to install it. It's a complete video. Now in this video, I will make your productivity go higher. For example, if I create, let's go ahead and create uh, a new file. This will be a text file, and I will go ahead and save this, and I will go to desktop, and I will just create a new folder called as VS Code Snippets. Over here I will just call this test.test1.html, and I will switch this to all files. Now as you can see, what happens is if I go ahead and go to the folder, I haven't opened that folder yet. So what I will do is I will just go ahead and open a folder, file, open folder, and I will just switch this to that particular folder. Over here I have test.html. So when I go ahead and do this, and when I go ahead and start exclamation mark and do this, you get the HTML boilerplate. But for example, you don't have MS support. When I do something like this, by default we have MS support over here. This is the feature of Visual Studio Code. But the purpose of this video is to show you how to install or give you more control over the code. For example, formatting. If I do anything over here, if I just say formatting, you have a ton of extensions that will help you do your CSS code as well. For example, if I go here, uh, you don't get the support for the styles of CSS styles. You don't get that support. Suppose you want to install the CSS extensions. So here we have HTML CSS support. So I click on that, and I click on install and I say trust the publisher. Now what happens is I get the CSS support once I install that. Here we can go ahead and see that that particular extension is installed. So here we get the features such as ID support, the class attribute support and everything. As you can see, we just install this. Now let's go ahead and try one of this. Okay, here if I go to the file which is test1.html, and now if I do hash for star selector, let's do h1, and we do not have tab support. I will just say background. So as you can see, background color, I can go ahead and say Azure, and if I come over here, if I write hello, and if I just go ahead and type, as you see, this is manual work, but what you can do is you can go ahead and make this faster. So if I open this folder now, and if I open this page, you see this is the manual way of coding. But if you want to go ahead and code even faster, what you can do is you can use something called as kilocode. So if I go to the kilocode over here, if I open it, and if I just say please give me PHP, uh, please add a form and process this using JavaScript validation. For example, if I do this and hit enter, we are in code support format. It will analyze and it will open the test file, and it will go ahead and add all those elements. Do you see that? How it added? So as you can see, within just a minute, it starts coding everything for me. Input validation errors, and it adds the form as well. So do you see how fast this is? It was able to write 150 lines of code so fast that I don't even have to think a lot. So let's see what it has written. Let's check this out. It is still writing, so I will give it some time. And it was able to complete that. Okay. Now, if I open this file and if I reload this, you can see we have a form. It was able to add full name, it was able to add email, it was able to add phone number, password, confirm password, age, all of this. Plus we have validation support. If I just go ahead and submit the form now, here it has added all these validations as well. Please enter your full name, please enter your valid email address, password. Do you see how easy it is? If you go ahead and install this extension, if you install the kilocode extension, you can see how to install the extension over here to make your workflow faster. You can see it has done a lot of things. This is all CSS styling. Then you can remove this if you want. For example, if we remove this and if we reload, we just have the form element. So this video was about showing you how this behaves and how Creo code works. So thank you so much. This is how you install extension. Just to summarize, we install the extension over here. This is how you uninstall. Right click and then uninstall the extension. So you can restart the extensions, or when you restart the Visual Studio Code, you will not find the extension that you uninstalled. So thank you so much. If this video was helpful for you, please go ahead and share this video with your friends. Okay, I showed you how to install KiloCode in a separate video because that will take a lot of time, and in this video, just to summarize, I also told you how to use the code feature in KiloCode. Thank you so much.